Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like the content, please do click like and subscribe for this video. Today I'm not going to talk about any strategy or trading entry strategies. We are in a live market currently. I'm going to talk about one of the indicators, price channel, okay, and how it is going to help you. So first of all, as we can see, this is a 2 hours chart of Invesco QQQ ETF. Okay, so if you see here, it's a 2 hour chart and it has been in uptrend from this date, that is of 5th of August. From 5th of August, it has been on uptrend in a 2 hour chart. Okay, so now the question is, on everyday basis you would like to buy calls, okay, but how to get profitable on a day trade? So this price channel may be able to help you. This is not a strategy that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to explain the price channel indicator and how it can help you. How it will help you is, if you buy, for example, we are on this date of 8th of August, okay, and how a call would benefit you in a day trade. If you buy a call at around 440.43 on QQQ, you would be able to easily get a good target of $2 or $3 on the stock. Okay, so and on the call you will be having much better percentage of profit. Okay, so that what I'm trying to say is, you should buy call from a support line. Okay, and how to identify a support line using price channel. Similarly, now we see that it's a little bit in a downtrend now, currently on a two hours chart for QQQ. So how you can identify a resistance level from where you can buy puts to gain some profit. Okay, so let me go ahead and add the indicator. We search for the indicator and we type price channel. The one I'm talking about is price channel version 2 V2 by Coryu, and it has 633 likes. Okay, so I have added that uh, mm, price channel indicator on my chart, and here, as you can see, there are three lines. The top one is a kind of a resistance, the bottom one is a kind of a support, and the middle one is a kind of a center line. Okay, and the channel is moving along with the stock, with as you can see, when the stock is in uptrend, the base is rising higher and higher and higher. Okay, how this indicator actually works is, let's go into the settings and see the settings for this. The default settings is 20 length. Okay, so the way it's so simple to understand. It works is, so for example, this is my end candle over here at 11:30 of today, and 23rd of August. So it will count 20 candles from there. So okay, so if you see here, 3 to 5, 3 to 5:10, and again 3 to 5:15, and 3 to 5:20. So approximately here. Okay, so this is on 16th of August, 11:30. So starting from here, it has calculated. uh, if I will just okay, I'll just hide my indicator and I will use horizontal lines. Okay, and that was 16th of August, 11:30. Okay, so here. Okay, so from here it has calculated a high and low from this point. Okay, so here it is a low, and this is my high. Okay, so this is my high from this duration. Okay, if I activate my price channel, you will see that, because the price channel look back period was 20 candles. Okay, 20 candles of 2 hours frame, 2 hour time frame. So all this at the last candle, if you see, the price channel will be approximately touching my lines. Let me change the color of my lines. I'll make it blue, and this one also I'll make it blue. Okay, so and the price channel lines, as you can remember, it's pink. Okay, so see here. Okay, approximately these lines are touching. Why? Because they are looking back. Now this indicator, this doesn't know what happened before 20 candles of 2 hours. Starting from last 20 candles from the current price, it will see what is a high and what is a low, and it will mark them as your support and resistance. Okay, so this is like a taking a base from the historical movements of the stock and taking a support and resistance, taking marking a high and low of that period. Okay, so this is the concept of this price channel as I showed you. Okay, now if we can see the same thing, if I increase the length of, sorry, look back period, let's make it now 50. Okay, okay, so if you see, so till here was 20, that is around 2 days, so again this will be 20 here, and 20, around 10 here, so around 50. Okay, so if you see here, I will hide my candles. The high remains same, it didn't go higher than that. Okay, but the low changed, the low changed is here. So looking back to 50 candles, now this is my low and this is my high. Okay, if I again put my price channel, you can see that this is my low. It has changed a little bit because the new candle has formed, so now 50 candle range is here. Okay, so if you count, I'm not counting 50 candles, it will take time for this video. If you count 50 candles, it would come approximately over here or here, so that the low of that 50 candle mark is here, and you can see the price channel is within that range. Okay, so now I showed you in this in 2 hours chart. Now coming to what would be beneficial, means how should we identify day low or day high and all those things. So we should take a period of a good trade would be in a period of 2 days. Okay, so if you are on a 2 hours candles, one day is of 6 hour and 30 minutes, that is from starting from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time. That is the trading hour of the market. Okay, so if you see that it is 6.5 hours, so if you go for 2 days, it will become approximately 13 hours. So 13 hours we can't divide into 2 hour candles, so let's make it, okay, we can find, I think the closing candles will be smaller candles, so 2 hour we have to count 13. So let's make this price channel to 13. Okay, so that it will give you the range of, I'll remove these lines so that they don't confuse you. Okay, now these 2 hour candles, it is giving you a range in 2 days, in last 2 days, what is the low and what is the high. Okay, so that you can uh, I'm not saying that I'm not saying that if this is the low it will not be broken, it can be broken for sure. Okay, and many times this happens, that would be a breakdown or a break up, means breakout. Okay, that would be a breakout or a breakdown. Okay, if it goes higher than this, that would be considered as a breakout. And for example, if you see here, this was my price channel, but the stock gave a breakout at 459.17. you can very well buy calls over there, and you can gain profit. So if you are a breakout trader, you can do that way. If you are in the range trader, so you can buy a put over here when this touches this line, so that your stop loss is small. Reason is, if you buy a put at the high, at the resistance zone, and your stop loss is lost because small, because after certain gaining certain more price above that price channel, it will be considered as a breakout, and you don't need to sit on a put when you are on a breakout. Okay, so that way you can identify your trades quite well. Now this was all I showed you in 2 hours chart. Now let's start reducing our time frame in the candles. Now let's go to 1 hour candles. If you go to 1 hour candles for 2 days, what would be the period? For 2 days, the period will be 13. Sorry, for 2 hours, the period should have been 6.5 actually, or let's say 7. uh, okay, so 7 for 2 days, this would have been the right. I did some miscalculation. 13 hours in 2 days. So if you go for 1 hour, you have to go for 13. Okay, so now it is showing you the time frame of 2 days in the price channel for QQQ. Okay, in 2 days, my support zone is at near 474 and my resistance zone is at 486 on QQQ. Okay, let's reduce our time frame. If we go to 30 minutes, so my settings should change to, I'll double it and it will go to 26. Okay, so now this is my 2 days. In 2 days I will have around, I'm not saying exact, approximately 26 candles of 30 minutes. Okay, and it will give you the look back price channel. Okay, for 30 candles. Now let's reduce to 15 more. So in the same ratio as we are reducing, we made a time frame into half, so we will double this. If you double this, it will become 52. Okay, if you double this, so if you see here, the price channel is remaining same, it's not changing, because you are correcting the, as per the moving the candles, you are fixing your look back period of this price channel. Okay, now it's little bit, this is the last move we are going to do. Now it's little bit tricky. We are reducing it 3 times. Okay, so if I make it 5 minutes, this one I will have to increase by 3 times. So if you increase by 3 times, it will become 156. Okay, so now we are in a 5-minute chart and we are in a 156 is my look back period. Okay, so if you consider this, we can find that it was easy to understand that whenever there is a red candle formed at the height, a proper, means a good size of a red candle, or at least 2 red candles formed at the high, you should be able to enter your put. So you can enter your put over here at 484, or even better, if you enter your put here at 483 around. So this was yesterday's chart, and you can make gains on your trade. Similarly, if you see here, the price channel went down and then it was stable for a long time. Okay, so when it is stable and it's leaving the price channel and going inside the channel, over here you can buy calls at 478. Let's make it 478 as a round off. Your stop loss is where? 476.86. just $1.25 is your stop loss. And how much high it went? It went to 480.5. Okay, so that will help you in taking a trade in a call side from the support and taking a put in the downside from a resistance. Okay, so this was about price channel for 2 days. Okay, what I was trying to tell in another session of mine, that it would be okay if you are trading in a 1 day pattern, you can just take a look back period of 1 day, because you are in a quick trade, you are a scalper or you're a quick day trader. Okay, for that, if I go for 1 day look back, so I'll just make it half. Okay, so if I reduce 156 for half, that will make me around 78. Okay, 78. Now let me check the calculator. So we have okay, 6 hours is if I consider 6 hours, so 6 hours will have how many minutes? That would be around 360 minutes, and if you divide 360 by to make it 5 minutes, you will see that it will come to 72. Okay, if you consider 6 hours of look back, it will come as 72. If you consider one full day, that is around 6.5 hours, so your look back period will come as 78. Okay, so you can choose anything between 72 to 80 for a look back period, and you can start taking trade. Okay, now again I am in a 5-minute candle. I have a 78 look back period of 78, which is 1 day. Okay, which is 1 day. Now this is giving me my price channel for a period of 1 day. Okay, in a look back period of 1 day. So as you see here, my price channel was at, for the stock QQQ, it was around 483 over here. When it touched the price channel, I was waiting for a good red candle, or at least a candle which would be, which would close below the previous green candle, which would close below the previous green solid candle. This is good solid candle, not like a doji or a hammer of this kind. It was a good green candle over here, which started from around 480.79 and it ended around 482.3. Okay, so anything that closes below 480.79, it was already at the top. It could not break the resistance. As you can see, the top of the price channel was coming down and down. The top, this was moving down in a 1 day period. So this place was my confident, this place over here was my, is was a kind of a good, no, I won't say confident. You need to make it more better to add with other trading strategies. Okay, and other trading indicators that will help you, like VWAP and all. If you add those, it will help you more to take your trades. But here it was a good trade to enter in a put side. Where I am entering a put side, I am entering from the top. What are the benefits? The benefit is, first of all, the puts will be available in the discounted rate. Okay, because the market is in green, in it's going higher and higher, the put was available in a discounted rate, first of all. So when the put starts rising, it will rise much faster. That is one good thing. And the second thing is, your stop loss is less. Your stop loss is just the price channel, just like the next step of the price channel over here. Maybe 483.33 would have been my stop loss, and I'm entering my trade at 480.6. Okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. It's like $2.50 a stop loss. You may not need that much, but you can, just for understanding I'm saying. Okay, it will help you to take a trade in a put side from the resistance zone, and on a call side from the support zone. Okay, and if you see here, if you entered over here, you got the very next candle gave you a target of 476.23, which is around $4 in just one candle. Okay, this happened, this doesn't happen every time, this happened today. I myself was able to capture this gain on one of my QQQ puts. Okay, now where you can get into calls, if you come near this line somewhere and starts giving a green candle over here, you could enter a call side, and this may again go back to 480 levels. Okay, currently it's in nowhere as per the price channel. So this is one of the concepts that you can implement in your trading for a better trading output, for a better trading profit. So this will help you in identifying the resistance and support zones, buying short side or the put side, entering put side at this resistance, and entering, for example, over here, if you see this green candle, or maybe let's say a call buying over here at the close of this green candle, which was able to cross the previous solid red candle. So if you buy a call at around 478.57, you can get a target of 480.64, which is around $2 of profit. Okay, so also your stop loss is less. It's not like you got something. If you buy a put over here, it can damage your account. Okay, because you will have to keep some stop loss, and for sure your stop loss is going to hit if the price moves upward. Okay, so this concept will help you to understand that you should not buy puts at least, even this is a one more added benefit of this price channel, that you are not buying put at really low levels, and you are not buying calls at really high level where it might be a resistance and the stock can pull down. Okay, so just try this out. Try this indicator on your charts for an understanding, and it may help you enter your trades on a proper entry level, on the base entry levels for calls and puts, and that will give you a better profit and a quicker profit. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please do click like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you again. Wish you all a lots of profit in while trading.